Hello everybody. After equipment modernization I have lot of unused power cords, and they are for UK socket. I decide to make extended power cord from IT scrap. First need to cut off all connectors. Next prepare wires for soldering and then solder all wires together. It takes some times. For me this process take 2 hours to solder 130-meter wire from PC power cords. After that I take steel can and plastic bottle to make base for cord. Side walls for power extender I make from old LCD monitors plexiglass. Draw 35 centimeters ring and then cut it off with different methods. It also take time. I was wonder that plexiglass from monitors is so strong material. Next assemble all parts together. From old chair I make main base for coil of power cord. Disassembling, some grinding works, welding, and painting and another 2 hours and it done. Need some spacers to put coil on base, also make from plexiglass from LCD monitor. Assembling all together. Mounting 220 volt socket. Wind up wide on coil. Make handle. Soldering cord to the socket wire. Soldering last part, 220 volts SCCO connectors. And that all. Extended power cord from scrap done. It take 8 hours to assembly. Thank you for your attention.